Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Dodge Durango. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and ready to be found by other devices. It's also a good idea to be safely parked before you begin. Then, find the phone button on your Durango's Uconnect system, usually located on the center console or steering wheel. This button is your starting point for the pairing process. Once you've pressed the phone button, the Uconnect system will guide you. You'll likely hear a prompt asking you to say pair a device or something similar. After you say the command, the system will generate a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be displayed on your Durango screen. Make sure to remember or write down this number, as you'll need it for the next step on your phone. Now, switch your attention back to your phone. Go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and look for available devices. You should see Uconnect appear in the list. Tap on Uconnect to initiate the connection. Your phone will then ask you to enter the 4-digit PIN that was displayed on your Durango screen. Carefully type in that number to complete the pairing. After entering the PIN, you might see a confirmation request on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Confirm these prompts to finalize the connection. Your phone's Bluetooth settings should now indicate that it is connected to Uconnect. Congratulations! You can now enjoy hands-free calling and, depending on your system, potentially stream audio through your Durango speakers. Drive safely and enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.